Hello, we are the group 10 and we are going to talk about different types of engineering, among which are civil engineering, mechanical, and chemical, and how they have changed from ancient times to modern times. For example, the civil engineering is a professional engineering discipline that deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of the physical and natural buildings environmental, including works like roads, bridges, canals, dams, and buildings.
Mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is a discipline of engineering that applies the principle of engineering, physics, and material science for analysis, designs, manufacturing, and maintenance of mechanical systems. It's a branch of engineering that involves the production and usage of heat and mechanical powers for the science, production, operation of machines and tools. Chemical engineering. Chemical engineering is a branch of engineering that applies or natural or experimental science. Example, chemistry and physics in a life science, biology, microbiology, and biochemistry, together with mathematics and economics to production, transformation, transportation, and proper usage of chemicals, materials, and energy.
Chemical engineer in the ancient times and now. The change is positive because there are no more accurate measure systems. The results of chemical formulas and other processes become more accurate and therefore more secure thanks to the advance in computer models also allow the computer in which can carry out chemical process which in ancient times would take much more time and materials. Now also has a tape of the elements more complete than it had in the past. This is benefits and facilitates the work when performing measurements or chemical equations.
The mechanical engineering has been instrumental in the development of human factor. It has made life easier for humans because in the past most of the activities were developed based on human power and animal power. But with the development of machine production is now much faster and efficient. For example, in the past, to be transported from one place to another, they used wagons that move through the street oaks. At the present, we use cars and motorcycles operating by base gasoline. Another means of transportation was the railroad, which operated from coal. Now we use more technology and faster trains based in other fuels. Another artifact that has affected for the world is the computer, because before it was a big machine that could just type a few numbers. Now the computers are portable and have plenty of functions. Another example that we can mention is the phone. In the past, they communicate through handwritten letters, the telegrams or messages between people. Now we use the phone and communication is instantaneous.
Yeah.
How has civil engineering changed in the time? Change in type of professional activity. In response to a reduction of comprehensive technology training and increase in management activities. Change in type of employment. In response to greater business activity and a very low employment for others. Change in the geographic level. In response to a higher activity abroad. Advance in technology not only affects the tools engineers that use, but also what they study and employees handle. For example, in the middle of the teens, the engineers fell into groups. Military engineers tackle military problems, such as building weapons and fortifications, while civil engineers handle everything else. Thanks.